Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone not charging issue after the iOS 17 update. Encountering a dead battery on your iPhone after updating to iOS 17? No need to panic. I'm here to guide you through some troubleshooting steps to get your device charging again. Let's dive in and bring your iPhone back to life. First of all, you have to do is simply inspect the charging cable and adapter. Start by checking for any visible damage to your cable and adapter. Look for fairing, bends, or loose connections. Try using a different cables and adapter, preferable Apple certified ones to rule out faulty accessories. After this, then you have to do is clean your charging port. Dust and debris can accumulate in the charging port, obstructing charging. Gently clean the pot using a toothpick or SIM ejector tool, being careful not to damage the pins. If this doesn't work, then you have to restart your iPhone. A restart can often resolve temporary software glitches. You have to open your settings, then tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is check your battery health. You have to go to your settings, go back, go to battery, tap on battery health and charging, and after this, see your battery's condition. If it significantly degrades, consider a battery replacement. After this, then you have to disable optimized battery charging. This feature might sometimes interfere with charging, so you have to go to your settings again, go to battery and health, and turn off optimized battery charging. So guys, after these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is try wireless charging. If wired charging isn't working, see if wireless charging works. This can help isolate the issue. If this still doesn't work, then you have to release updates to iOS version. Apple might release updates to address charging bugs, so you have to open your general, tap on software update, and check if there's any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of 17.2.1. All I have to do is simply tap on update now, or I can update it tonight. So guys, after trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do reset all settings on your iPhone. This will revert settings to their default without erasing data. So you have to scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then be sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.